We're starting with the party here. The families are coming in. I think there are about 130 families being represented here. I'm going to ask about that and verify that. But the party is beginning. All of these families have been participating in the programs for the children for a year, the teaching programs and the educational things. And so now the Christmas party is beginning.
Lena wants to say hi.
Oi, querida, tudo bom? Oi! Igual esse. Oh, let me. So yes, everybody and their mama is here. This is the happy chaos.
Vai ter o microfone. O microfone, minha filha.
Não, hoje nós vamos comemorar o quê?
Natal!
E o que é o Natal?
Nascimento de Jesus!
O quê?
Nascimento de Jesus! Pra que botar essa moça de Jesus de Quim?
Eu não ouvi o que é o Natal. Contente, bate palma. Você está contente, bate palma. Você está contente, quer mostrar a toda a gente. Se você está contente, bate palma. Você está contente, bate o pé. Você está contente, bate o pé. Se você está contente, quer mostrar a toda a gente. Se você está contente, bate o pé. Se você está contente, dê risada. Você está contente, dê risada. Bora, canta! Se você está contente, dê risada. Você está contente, dê bom dia. Bom dia! Bom dia! Nós vamos almoçar.
Okay, so here they are preparing the feijoada for lunch. Smells good, guys. They are about to have a feast. God is good. Just preparing the plates for people to start chowing down.
Aí a gracinha da nela.
Right? So guys, almost time to eat here. Plates are being passed. The chow down is happening. Food smells good. The attitudes are great. Wow. As I said before, God is good. All right, Alex, so tell us more about this program. Where are we right now? This place is awesome. Where are we?
We are quite near Messejana, is a periferia of Fortaleza.
Okay, so we're having a party today. Well, first of all, can you tell us a little bit about the program that this is? Guys, you can see all the kids.
Yeah,
families.
this is a project we call that Sitio Quim. It's just a piece of land with trees.
So it's a kind of like community organized charity.
Yeah, it is. It is 100%.
Yeah, so this is not a governmental program. It's basically started by 3 ladies in the community, which Alex is going to introduce us to those ladies a little bit later.
Yeah, and we have the Sitio Quim project over 30 years already.
Yes.
I'm only here 18 anyway.
So he's been working with this project for only 18 years,
Yeah.
y'all. Oh, please, whatever.
And
Wow.
what do you do here? We have really poor communities around that area here, really poor people. And we have the program to start in April and in December. And all that program, we meet twice a month on the first Sunday and the third Sunday of the month. We meet of all those children. This year you have 163 children and 98 mothers.
Okay,
moms.
so you can see, like, that is a lot of people that they serve in this community. And y'all do this every year, right?
Yeah, every single year for 32 years, I'd say.
Okay, and how do you choose the families and the children that are going to participate?
We don't choose. You let them open, but you have some agreement. The kids can come here if they are enrolled at school, if you have the attendance for the previous year and for the enrollment of the children already for the next year. When they come to do the enrollment here, they have to bring the school papers, so we know that they are at school.
Okay, and what kinds of things do you focus on with the children throughout the year?
We don't talk that much about religion, but we talk about Jesus, God, and all about society. How can I be a better person? How can I take care of myself and my family? How can I be really honest with myself and still have the condition to go further in life?
So basically, like, sort of life, like practical life lessons and some sort of like emotional coping techniques for the difficulties that they face?
Yeah, and this year we don't have, but last Christmas we had a girl. She came here to visit us. Her name was Camila, I think. I don't remember actually the name, but I think it was Camila. She was our like in 1992.
Hold on, I gotta show everybody our adorable audience. Hey y'all. Sohi. Fala alô. Okay,
and,
sorry guys, I had to show you our cute audience.
That she is 26 years old now, and she came here to say, hey, thank you. I was here with you all. Now I'm doing my post degree at the university here, and I have a good job. I could take my family out of the poor community, and for us was a blessing to hear that. We know we don't give the life for those children, but at least we will open up for them to have choices.
It's really awesome. And what's this event that we're at right now?
Today, this is our last meeting of this year. We have a lunch Christmas.
A Christmas lunch.
Yeah, and it's not only the children and the mothers. They can bring all the family together. So here today we have around 400 people.
Yes, either before this video or after this part, I'm going to show footage, or either you've already seen the footage or I'm going to show it later. I don't know how I'm going to cut this, but yeah, it is a lot of people with food. They get a meal and some presents for the kids.
Yeah, all the kids, they get, beforehand, we all give one full clothes for them, like
so
a short
outfit.
And the week before we give food, so they can come to the party with a new outfit and all that. And today they're gonna get like a pair of shoes and some kind of toys.
Yes.
Most of them, if the age of 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, they don't want toys anymore. They want the school material. So they have like new notebooks, pencils and all that. It's their choice.
So I mean, and it is really it's really magnificent.
But hold on guys, hold on. Regina,
come back.
Come here. Guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, this is Regina. She started all that program. Tia Regina, quando foi que a senhora começou isso aqui? When she started that? Oh, say that!
30
years ago.
Eu sou novinha.
Oh, she is really young, but she's afraid of the camera.
We're gonna get her later. So, okay, so guys, give us a second. We are going to formally introduce you to the 3 women that started all of this. But really quickly, it really is magnificent because basically you have like a small army of people here organizing all of this all year long, to give gifts and to feed 400 people. My God. And how much money did you guys spend on this year? Just to give you an idea.
Yeah, let's make
privately organized money that was collected.
Let's make that clear. Directly here, we are around 16 people. But behind and for the support of those 16 people, we have hundreds. And it's so amazing because few people give like 70 reais, few people give the everything for the children. They kind of like get the children for all year long. But a party like today, with all that included and all the tables and everything, is more than 30 grams.
So 30,000 reais.
Yeah.
It like and you can see every bit of that money was spent on this party and this community. So guys, we're gonna come back in a second because even though Regina is shy right now, I do want you guys to meet the three ladies that started all of it. So see y'all in a second.
See you.